Ready to ditch the huge startup costs and finally launch that online store you've been dreaming about in the Philippines? First, head over to PRINTIFY.com and sign up for a free account. Click that sign up button €. It's usually in the top right corner. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or just your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll need to connect your online store. PRINTIFY integrates with popular platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Choose the platform you prefer and follow the prompts to connect your store. This usually involves granting PRINTIFY access to your store. Now for the fun part, why Euro designing. Browse the PRINTIFY catalog and select a product you want to sell, like a shirt or a mug. Pay close attention to the print providers and their shipping locations. Ideally, look for print providers based in Asia for faster and cheaper shipping to the Philippines. If available, next, upload your design and position it on the product preview. Use PRINTIFY's Mockup Generator to create beautiful product images for your store. Then, write compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your design. Time to set your pricing. Consider the production cost, PRINTIFY's shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Don't forget to factor in the shipping rates to the Philippines when setting your prices. Finally, publish your product to your connected store. PRINTIFY will automatically handle the printing and shipping whenever a customer places an order. Now you are ready to tap the local Philippine market.